Hello and welcome to Slate on Slate. Today we are going to do a unboxing and review of the new Last Ronin 2 Re-Evolution figures. We have Yi, Moja, Uno, and Odyn. Alright, so here's what all four of the boxes look like together. They all make a great little scene, so I just wanted to show you that before I went ahead and got them open. So here we go. So first we're going to open up Yi, and I hope I said that right. So let me go ahead and get this out of the box real quick for you. And I showed you this box earlier, yesterday, so go ahead and get it out. All right, so this is what it looks like outside of the package here. Just give me 1 second here, and I will pull it out of the packaging. All right, so we have the figure here. Let's get it up close so you can look at it. And then the back. And it's a standard motion just like all of the other NECA figures. So we're just gonna leave him right over here. Let's get him straight up here. So he comes with two other heads here. So let's see here. Looks like he's got a head with a mask on it, and he's got a head with some glasses on it. That look like it needs to be fixed. I'll fix that later. Then he's got a bow staff, a sword, the nunchucks, and then your sock. He's got a screwdriver, a bandana. He's got 5 extra hands, in case you wanted to see those. He's also got what looks like to be some knives here. And then he's got a cap. All right. The next one we are going to do is Odyn. So let me go ahead and get this cleaned up and we'll get on to that one. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is Odyn. So let's go ahead and get this one out of the box too. All right, this one comes with a little bit less than what Yi had. So let's go ahead and get that out and I'll be right back. All right, so here is Odyn out of the package. Let's go ahead and get a good look at him. There's the back. All right. He comes with the exact same weapons as the other one, so I won't show you those. He comes with a bandana, 2 gloved hands, 2 gloved hands, and then 4 regular hands that are wrapped. He comes with another head and a mask to go on top, and then he comes with the little star thing. Okay, next up we have is Moja. So let me go ahead and get that one out of the package for you. Just gonna move this down real quick. All right. All right, this is what it looks like in the package. And now let me go ahead and I'll be right back and let me get everything out real quick. Okay, so here is Moja. So this one is, here's the figure, just like the rest of them. I'm going to show you the front and the back. And then this one comes with the same weapons. Comes with 4 other hands. A vest to go on. Then you have a little kitty cat, another tape, and I really can't read what's on it. And then you have the hat / bandana, and then you have a head with a bandana on it. And then you have a severed robot head, which if you can't see in the background, we have some of those robots there too. So, all right, and on to the last one, which is Uno. So let's go ahead and get that one out of the package. Okay, so that's what that one looks like inside the package. Let me go ahead and get it out, and then I will be right back. All right, so the last one is Uno. So this is what Uno looks like. Just like the rest of them, same movements as any other NECA figure. Does come with the same weapons, 5 extra hands. This one comes with a Game Boy type machine. Then you got the hat slash bandana, an extra head, and then a small star, just like the bigger one. Odyn, sorry, my bad, took me a second. And then this one is the only one that comes with a cloth good to go over the body. That is all of the figures. Oh, there's another piece in there. Sorry, there's another piece in there. Sorry, I didn't see that. So I am going to go over them one more time so you can see what they look like up close with all the accessories. So here you go. So there is Uno, Moja, Odyn, and Yi. So with that being said, I do want to tell you that I did just finish the book that did come with it, and it was a great read. So if you have not received it, go ahead and go out and get it. And with that being said, that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button below. And I hope you have a great day or evening wherever you are in the world. Thank you. Bye.